Hello, dear traders. Welcome to Omega Stock Pro. And today is 28th of February. And it has been a long time. I did not post a video on any of the subjects. And thank you very much for the newly joined people. And if you are watching for this video for the first time, kindly join our channel. We are going to learn some advanced techniques regarding trading. And friends, I want to bring out the last Friday move and what happened in the option chain and what is the advancement I have made in this option chain indicator. So friends, I want to tell you that I did not copy anything from anyone. This is for Bank Nifty. I have prepared and I don't have any idea about Nifty. So this is especially for Bank Nifty and because it's highly volatile, good to trade in options and so that is the fact why I have started making the move. Why I started making an indicator type of graph type of thing and with the help of option chain is because you know that when a new trader comes in into the market with a great with a high thought that okay, I will make money from the market, but on the dark side of it, because it is manipulated in such a way that the stop losses are hit or our entry points becomes wrong. So well, I used to think something might have something would have been done or somebody is doing something that he knows earlier that market is going to reverse from here or going to spike out from this place. So are going to fall from this place. Somebody knew. So only one thing that I came to an understanding that option chain is the only one thing which knows things in advance. So that is why I started doing this. So this is an advanced graph which I am bringing before you after a lot of back testing, and I coupled some other things to see whether the signal which I am getting is correct or not. But for the last 2 months I have checked it and I have been trading on it, and it has given me one stop loss and rest all the time it has given a profitable move. So if I am not greedy, at least 100 to 150 points I would have taken daily, and only one stop loss in last 2 months. And you know that there are many fluctuations, many data was not coming from NSE, so many other problems were there. In spite of that, there was only one stop loss hit. So I tried to rectify that also in that condition. What was the scenario that took me a stop loss? So, okay, friends, let us move on. I'll show some of the graph. It's a very short and small video. So let us see what happened on the last Friday. That is on 26th of, uh, yeah, that is on, yes, last Friday. Okay, so this is the since morning, you know, the market opened gap down. So gap down data I did not take because we are trading for intraday. So slowly and steadily the graph started moving upside. Okay, from around at 11:50, this is a buy signal. So there is momentum was going down. Okay, that is good. And I have checked. I have another one setup also, which said that there is a sell at around 10:40. Okay, but for that setup, I give less weightage because sometimes that gives only profit booking uh, moves. So the real moves are captured by this indicator. So okay, so around 11:50 there was a buy signal. Okay, 11:50. I will take you to the graph. You in the comment section tell me how should we trade this indicator. Okay, because I want to learn from you also, because I am not such a very big trader. I am not from Goldman Sachs, not from a big firm. I am a small retail trader trying to find out what the market is doing. Okay, okay, so around 11:50. You know that this is, yeah, around here 11:40, and this is 11:45 closing candle. So closing candle means 11:50 no. So if I take the data also at 11:50 closing, so this is 12 o'clock, right? So here this is 11:50 and this is 12 o'clock closing. So what is 12 o'clock closing? 11:45, 11:50. 11:55 end means here it gave a buy signal. Okay, right? And after that it was sustaining there. Again it gave another buy signal around 1 o'clock. That is, this is 1300 1 o'clock. So let us see what happened. 12:45, 12:55, around 1 o'clock. Here is the closing. And market, it came, just did not break the low, previous low, and it went upside. Immediately we are not going to take, you tell me how to trade this. And 3500, and from here, from 35,000 to, it went up to 35,300. So tell me friends, is this 300 points not a good move? Okay, if we are a trader, normally market is not much volatile nowadays because of buying in the p notes or whatever it is, so we don't know. So the volatility is there, but if I immediately buy also, if I immediately buy also, there is a 300 points up move I am getting. Why I am sure? Because this is the smart money move. Why I am confident in trading this up move? Because this is uh, smart money move. So it went, and it went upside. Okay, since morning, because it was, if only if it goes above 30 or below 30, the market trend remains in that direction. So here morning, since morning there was no movement at all. So one drawback in this option chain indicator is this, that if the signals are coming in the first half, that is before 1 o'clock itself, 1 o'clock, or at least, yes, before 1, so maximum time the move is on the same day. But if it comes after 1:30 or 2 o'clock or something, 2:30 also, so the move remains for the next day. So somebody bought here. Okay, see the quantity, see the weightage immediately from uh, around, from less than 20 to it went above 100. So that means what? So let us see, here is the chart. Here, so there was buying, there is a buying candle. So last 10 minutes data I'm taking. So in this last 10 minutes, they have taken the market from 34,800 to 35,000. That means 200 points. So this low is not going to break, right? And if you see 1 o'clock, no, 12 o'clock. So here it came. So in this averaging price, that is around 3,500, 35, sorry, 35,000, bank nifty, somebody has bought heavy quantity. So as for tomorrow, it may go down or go up, that we don't know. But as per option chain, somebody has bought here. So I'm not showing any daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. So there was another setup. Uh, okay, that is in the Excel. Please pardon, I cannot show it now. So here I got a sell signal around 10:40, and this came down. So that setup I use generally for uh, profit booking signals. Okay, and see here, it has taken exactly support here as a resistance. So it will, tomorrow the market either may consolidate or open a gap up or whatever it may, tomorrow we will see. So this is what the development I have taken in the option chain. Here I am confident that somebody is buying. Again buy signal came. You can see here there is another from 100 to 140. That means 20 points. So 20 point is a very good breakout. And then it came at around 11, that is 2 o'clock 10 minutes. It dropped. Let us see what happened. 12:10. Yes, this place. Yeah, yeah. You tell me how to trade this. Signal was right. It slightly went up, did not sustain, then it came back. So, friends, if you have come and watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel. All the signals which I am getting, one signal per day, only in rare cases we will not get any signal, buy signal or sell signal. But 99% of the days we get signals. And I'll update only if other things parameters are supporting the move, then only. And This is one thing. That means we know that somebody is buying here. That we know. We came to know in the option chain. So that is a very good move. And here also, because I am not considering this move because I got this move from another setup. So I am ignoring that. Okay. So here we are getting 300 points. And we know that somebody has bought at this location. We can average and buy. Or here also you can see it went down. Means what happens if the person who is shorting the market, he has to exit with the so somebody is buying here now. Please try to understand. If the buyer has come here, the seller who is bringing the market, he has got little more money in his pocket which he has to spend quickly. At that time what will happen, he will exit all his short positions, he will close, and he will start going along with this man who is starting a fresh buy, because then only the seller will be in profit. If he doesn't exit here, then he will make sure that he is not crossing this point, so that he is in complete profit, and allow the person to make another. That means allowing the buyer to take up the market to create positions and see the price. It did not close below that. That is the beauty of the indicator. So this is what I am trying to explain, friends. And many days I have got this. So you'll be in our Telegram channel, that is for free. You can join it, Omega Stock Pro. And what are the? I want to just share two important things on this. The strength of the indicator is that moves will come for sure, today or tomorrow. I have watched uh, 3 days, I think, in the last 2 months, 3 days or 4 days. Option chain indicator gave a sell signal. Market was going up, going up, going up. Next day, what happened? Market opened gap down. Bill. That means the point where they started shorting the market. From there, from that gap, only market came down. Okay. Next day, what happened? Buyers were active, but market was still going down, going down, going down. And next day, market opened gap up above the. So sometimes there is the what we say, growth between the big fight between the buyers and the sellers. So in spite of making money, they started fighting with each other. They are interested more in giving loss to others. So in that scenario, market becomes highly volatile. So here also you can see why I did not get a sell signal. Okay, here I got a buy signal actually, but you can see the as per price action, it broke the triangle and it is coming down. Even I made a small loss here. So no problem. Because I am following the option chain indicator, it is going up yearly. Generally, it has to go up, and no problem with that. So losses are normal in this market if it is calculated. So this is how option chain indicator works, friends. What are the main ingredients? That means what are the main data which I have taken to make this indicator is it is open interest, change in open interest, volume, and a premium, that is premium decay or premium rate of change, whatever it may be. So these four things are very important. I am ignoring IV on this subject. So what are the four important things? Option, uh, sorry, open interest, that is net open interest, and the change in open interest, volume, and option um, DK you can say, or it is option premium rate of change. These are the four important points which I have added. And beautifully for the last 2 months, it has given beautiful signals. Only one stop loss, and that stop loss is because okay, I did not conclude what the price action. I ignored in mind the point of view of the seller who is shorting the market, and that was one point, and I have covered it. In future I will be watching on that also. And after that, this indicator will give us 85 to 90 to 90, yes, 85 to 90, 92% of success ratio, and 10% still there is space for us to improve. So please join our channel Omega Stock, or you can just type it and tomorrow during the market hours I will meet you on the Telegram. Bye bye, friends.